How to go live on Twitch on PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can go live in your Twitch on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you will need to do is open up your Twitch. You can simply search for Twitch in your web browser or head over to www.twitch.tv. After you open up your Twitch, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to this profile icon on the top right. After you tap on the profile icon, you will find the settings option. Tap on it, and now you're on the settings page. What you'll now need to do is simply tap on channel and videos. After you're on this page right here, you will see the settings on the left hand side under creator dashboard. Under settings, you'll find stream option. Tap on stream, and there you should find your primary stream key. Now you will need to copy this and just use it wherever it later asks you. After you copy that, head over to stream manager. After you're on stream manager, what you'll need to do is open up your OBS studio and then tap on start streaming to go live. After you do that, you will be on live on your Twitch, and that is basically all for the video too. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.